Today we are going to continue the linear equation. The linear equation exercise 2.2. Can anybody read the 8th question of exercise 2.2?
Can I read, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I read?
Can I? Don't tell your name.
Ma'am, Priyanka. Ma'am, can
Priyanka,
Darshi read, ma'am?
yes, Priyanka. Others mute. Others mute. Priyanka is reading.
Page 28.
Page 28. Very good, Priyanka.
8 sum.
8th sum. 1 minute. Somebody is coming inside. Padmi.
3.
Yes.
3 consecutive integers.
Somebody, others mute, ma. There are lots of noise. Please mute your system. Yes. Mute your
3.
system. I'll check now who's not.
Noise is coming from Priyanka's mic only, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Mute your
Noise is
system.
coming from Priyanka's mic only, ma'am.
Priyanka's only. Priyanka, close your. I told you you should sit in the place where there is no disturbance. Okay. Close the door. Now.
3 consecutive integers.
3 consecutive integers. Okay.
Are such that
In such a way that
when they are taken.
in such a way that
When
Continue.
they are taken in increasing order.
In increasing order
And multiplied by
multiply by
2, 3 and 4.
respectively. Yeah. Then
They add up to
74.
74.
Okay, there are 2
Find
clues
this
given.
number.
Find the 3 consecutive integers. What do you mean by consecutive? Yes, one of
Next
you.
by next, continuously.
Continuously. Others mute. Yes. Alden, what do you mean by consecutive? Neeraj? Neeraj? Neeraj is also not there. Okay, now Tarunesh.
Numbers going on a row.
Numbers going on the row.
Ma'am, consecutive numbers means the next number, ma'am.
Very good.
The next
Continuous number.
continuous numbers.
Continuous number. Consecutive means continuous. So if one number is x, the other number will be next number is x plus 1. Another number is x plus 2.
Why?
Not y. Don't put y. It is a linear equation in one variable only we are doing in 8th
Yes, ma'am.
standard. 2
X
variable you will
plus
do in
2,
9th
X
standard.
plus
Okay.
2, like that
So
and all.
first you consider one number is equal to x. The other number is x plus 1. The other number is x plus 2. Okay. So continuous consecutive numbers. Suppose if it is 2, 3, 4 or 5, if you take 5, 6, 7, like the continuous number. So these are the first clue. This is the first clue. Now what is the second clue, Priyanka? Second clue is when you multiply by 2 into x, the first number, 2 into x and 3 into second number. So please, why I am putting the bracket? If I don't put the bracket, what will happen? See, if I don't put the bracket, if I write 4 into x plus 2, what will happen?
Minus.
Minus.
It will become wrong. The 4 is for both the number. It is binomial. This is binomial. Binomial means
Binomial.
2 terms. So when I multiply first number with 2 and second number with 3, the third number with 4, if I add both, I will get 74. This is according to question, children. Second clue. According to question. It is the second clue. First clue is they are all consecutive numbers. That is the first clue. Second clue is when you multiply and add, you get 74. Second clue. There are 2 clues. Keeping the 2 clues and find the solution. Okay. And very important, put the bracket for binomial. Otherwise, it will go wrong. You will multiply only to 3. Okay. 2x plus 3 x. So for positive people come also you should put plus whenever you multiply, because if you don't put, it will multiply only to 1%. So it is binomial. It has to multiply to year and year. 3x plus 3 you should do like this. 4x plus 8 you should do. 4 2s are 8. So you get binomial, monomial. So all this will come like this. then 2x, 3x, 4x. You must add. Okay, when you add everything, you get 7, 8, 9x. Then 3 plus 8, you get 11. Put equal sign equally. Then you take the 11 after the equal sign. When you bring this 11 after the equal sign, it will become minus. Plus will become minus. Minus. Observe.
Minus.
Observe should answer. Observe 74 minus 11. What is the answer? Observe
74 minus 11, 63.
63. Good. So 9x is 63. What is x? Observe. What you should do?
Ma'am, divide.
Observe. Yes. Observe is answering.
Divide, ma'am.
Yeah. Divide. Who said observe or somebody else?
Current size.
Current size.
First current size it
When
means.
I ask observe, we will allow him to talk, okay? Otherwise, I'll forget their names. I will remember only Tarunesh, Gopi. Okay, I'll remember others' name. You have to answer everyone, and then I will remember your voice. Then at least I will know. I will know you. I will bring in my mind your face. Okay, so multiplication will become division. Division will become multiplication. Addition will become subtraction. Subtraction will become addition.
Addition.
When it will become like that? When will it become like that?
When the number goes that side,
That side means
out of the equal sign.
after
Excuse
equal
me, ma'am.
sign. It is like a line of control. Control. So it is going after
Excuse
the
me,
equal
ma'am.
sign. Okay, so x is equal to 7. Can I end the answer here?
No, ma'am.
No.
Excuse
What
me,
should
ma'am.
I do?
Ma'am, Manoj wants to say
Ma'am,
something.
next two integers you should
Yeah,
find.
you have to write that one integer is 7. One number is 7. The other number is 8. The other number is 9. Because x plus 1. This is x plus 1. Correct? No, this is x plus 2. So this is x.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Write the statement like this. Final statement. You have to write final statement. Okay? Yes. Now you have to write
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mute yourself, children. Mute yourself. We'll do one more sum.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Girindra for him network issue, so it's not. It's
No
saying that
problem.
it's not come to class,
Tell him
ma'am.
to see the absent recording. We are recording the
Okay,
sessions.
ma'am.
Tell him to see and do the homework. No problem.
Should I
No
put for
problem.
him absent or present, ma'am?
You put present. Okay. He tried his
Okay,
level
ma'am.
best to come. No. Yeah. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
whoever is giving permission, we can put him. And what is that? Purnakanta asked me permission. So permission means I told him to check the link, check this absentee session and keep practicing. And he promised me that he will do the homework. Like that, people we can always put present. Okay, people who do the homework correctly and unavoidable circumstance they miss the class. Okay, then who's taking attendance? Giri is not there. Who's taking attendance?
Ma'am, I'll take, ma'am. Giri said to take me, ma'am.
Who's that? E means
Manoj, ma'am.
Manoj is taking. Okay. Now next is ninth question. Ninth question. I want Karan to read. Karan, sure. Karan side. One of you read, ma.
I'll read, ma'am. Current size.
Karan side read.
The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their percentage?
Very good. See, listen. Consider the age of the Rahul. We don't have Rahul in our class now. So consider but we couldn't miss him. So only his name is coming continuously for us. Consider Rahul's age. You put here Rahul. Consider Rahul's age is 5x. Why I put 5x means it's given in the ratio. Whenever the question comes in the ratio, the meaning is some smallest number is multiplied over there. Some number is multiplied, okay? So Harun's age will be 7x. So 5x is to 7x. 5 is to 7 means 5x is to 7x you should put. Why? Because it is a fraction. It is a ratio. Ratio means it is a reciprocal 5 by 7. So 5 into some number, 7 into some number. So always remember that ratio means x. Then second clue. This is the first clue. The second clue says that after 4 years. Second clue says that what? Second clue says that
After 4 years.
4 years. Anybody is waiting in the list? No. After 4 years, Rahul's age will be Rahul's age
5x
will be
plus
5x plus
4x,
4.
5x plus 4.
Arun's age will be 7x plus 4. And according to the question, which question? According to the question in the textbook, according to question, what happened? If they add both, you must get 56. This is the second clue, strong clue. Okay, second clue will be something strong, but you must use first clue also. Then only we can do the sum. So to make a equation, linear equation, you should use the second clue. Sum of the two ages after 4 years is 56. So 5x plus 7x will become 12x. 4 plus 4 will become 8 is equal to 56. Now say Karan Sai, what is my next step? Karan.
Yes, ma'am.
Next step.
Ma'am, what are the percentage?
No. Continue. What is my next step? What should I do?
Ma'am, 56 minus 8, ma'am.
Very good. Come, be with me only. Okay, be with me. Par with me only. Don't go somewhere. Be continuously. When I'm doing step by step, you will learn. Because if you are not be here, you will miss some steps in the some other sum. When the some complicated sum comes, you will go this small steps wrong. So 56 minus 8 will become how much?
48.
48. Now what is my next step? X is equal to
X is equal to 48 divided
by 12. Multiplication will become division. So only x is
4,
equal to
ma'am.
4. Should I stop here?
No, ma'am.
I should write conclusion statement. What is my conclusion statement? Rahul's present age. Rahul's
Is
present
20.
age is
20, ma'am.
4x. 4x, what? 5x. Rahul's present age is
20.
20.
Yeah, 5x. So 5 into 4, 20. And Harun's present age is
28.
7 into 4, 28. So like this you should write. If you want, you can write here years, 20 years, 78 years you must write. Conclusion statement is very important, children. Don't miss the conclusion statement at all. Okay. Now, one more sum we'll do and finish off. 13th sum. Please, who is going to read? Observe. Observe voice only, I forgot. Observe.
Ma'am, I should read, ma'am.
Observe should read.
Okay, ma'am.
Observe. Hello.
Wait, ma'am.
Observe is not reading, huh?
Ma'am, I am reading, ma'am.
Yes, good boy. Read.
A rational number is such then when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number?
Okay. So, thirteenth question. Consider the rational number. What should you start? Consider the rational number. Consider the rational number x. Consider the rational number x. Then read the second line.
Me, ma'am.
You observe. Consider the rational number x. Then when we multiply, observe when to sleep.
Multiply by 5 by 2.
Multiply by 5 by 2. When I multiply this x by 5 by 2. Then if
And
I
add it by 2 by 3.
by 2 by 3, the result will
The
become
product
minus
is
7 by 12. So according to question, straight away it is coming answer like this. It is in fraction. Don't get worried. If it comes in fraction, don't get worried. Okay, don't worry. So 5 by 2x is equal to, bring this side. So minus 7 by 12. This plus 2 by 3 will become minus 2 by 3. And what is the LCM of 12 and 3? Observe. If Observe is not answering, Arya can answer. Arya, Binu. 12 and 3, what is the LCM?
12 itself.
12 is LCM. I told you already. When multiples comes, means the bigger number only will LCM. You need not go to rough column and do the LCM. Okay. So minus 7 minus and 3 4s are 12. That 4 should be multiplied here. So minus 7 minus 8. Now minus 7 minus 8. What is the answer? Observe Arya.
Minus 15.
Minus 15. Is this Observe's voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. minus 15 by 12 you will get. But here we have already 5 by 2 x. Now what is my next step? What is my next
Divide,
step,
ma'am.
sir?
Divide 5 by 2.
Very good.
Minus
5
15
by
by
2
12.
will become 2 by
Minus 15 by
5
12
by 2 will
into 5.
become 2 by 5. 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5 because of division. It is becoming reciprocal. Now cancel. So this goes 6 and this goes 3 times in pi table. Which table you are cancelling, you should not write, okay? You should only cancel correctly. That and all in 7th standard you learned. Don't go mistake in that. Now again make it simple in 3 table. Minus 1 by 2 will come as an answer.
Ma'am.
Yes, the required rational number is minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Okay, that's all. So you can do homework example sum. You can do example 5 and 6. And in exercise, this exercise, you can do 3 sums 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, 5 and
Tomorrow we don't have
Ma'am,
class
already we
yet.
did 5 and 6.
Ma'am, 5 and 6 already over, ma'am.